Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to measure body composition using the 7-site Skinfold testing method. Skinfold tests usually measure the amount of subcutaneous fat that's proportional to the total amount of body fat that an individual has. Subcutaneous fat can vary according to age, gender, and race. Some procedures to keep in mind are that all measurements should be taken on the right side of the body with the client completely relaxed. Pinch the skin halfway between the crest and the base of the fold. You're going to want to place the calipers 1 centimeter away from the actual pinch. Hold the pinch for 1 to 2 seconds before taking the measurement. Then you're going to want to rotate through the 7 sites, making sure measurements are within 2 millimeters of each other. If not, there will be a higher percentage of error. Some of the equipment we will be needing are Skinfold calipers and a marker to mark the sites of the Skinfold testing prior to the actual assessment, just to make it easier when going through the 7 sites. We will begin with the tricep fold. It is a vertical fold and will be found on the posterior midline of the upper arm. It is located halfway between the acromion and the olecranon process. Pinch, shake, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and then take the measurement. Next is the subscapular site. It is a diagonal fold. Have the client bend their arm behind their back so that the subscapular protrudes. The site of the pinch is located 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. Pinch, shake, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and then take the measurement. Next is the chest or pectoral site. It is a diagonal fold. For men, it is half the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple. For women, it is located 1/3 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple. Pinch, shake, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and then take the measurement. Next is the mid-axillary site. It is a vertical fold. Have the client move their arm back, then follow the mid-axillary line down to the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum. Pinch, shake, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and then take the measurement. Next is the abdominal site. It is a vertical fold. It is located 2 centimeters to the right of the umbilicus or the belly button. Pinch, shake, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and take the measurement. Next is the suprailiac site. It is a diagonal fold. This site is in line with the natural angle of the iliac crest on the anterior axillary line immediately superior to the iliac crest. Pinch and then take the measurement. Lastly is the thigh site. It is a vertical fold. This site is midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease or the hip. Make sure the client places all their weight on the left leg. Once again, pinch, shake, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, and then take the measurement. Remember to repeat the measurements at each site at least twice, rotating through to ensure accuracy. Now I'm going to talk about some of the equations we will be using to calculate body density and percent body fat. This first equation is for men. You're going to plug in the sum of the 7 Skinfold sites and the age of your client into the equation to obtain body density. If your client is a female, then you will use this equation to calculate body density. Once again, you will plug in the sum of 7 Skinfold sites and the age of your client into the equation. Next, using either the Brozek equation or the Siri equation, you will plug in your client's body density into either of the equations to obtain percent body fat. Both equations should yield similar results.